Predictive maintenance. As someone who operates and owns industrial machinery or heavy equipment, you've probably taken data from analog sensors, such as vibration, thermal, or voltage, to monitor the current status of your machines and schedule maintenance regularly to prevent unplanned breakdowns. However, are these signals enough to help you prevent unplanned breakdowns? Have you considered if this is the most efficient way going forward? Or worse still, you don't even have any sensors or data to begin with. Put all your worries behind you, because here at GroundUp.ai, we have a simple and accurate way of predicting your machine's health and when your machines may break down. We have built the Divine, an AI-powered predictive maintenance platform which helps you to consolidate all the existing data that you have and consolidate them into a simple, elegant, and informative dashboard. Our friendly AI, Gina, will be running 24/7 in the background to analyze the data and detect issues found in the machine, as well as give you advice on corrective measures. She can also propose an ideal maintenance schedule to prioritize severe issues so that any problems can be fixed before catastrophic breakdowns happen. The more data you feed her, the smarter she becomes, and the more accurate her predictions will be. But wait, there's more! We can help you to identify the root cause of machine failures using our sound expertise. Sound sensors capture the sounds that your machine makes and transmits the data to Gina. Gina then matches the data collected against any past data you may have. Now, what if you don't have any past data to begin with? Fret not, because Gina can make use of our huge proprietary data reservoir, known as the Meta Asset Capsule, to pick out any irregularities and accurately identify the root cause of the anomaly. With this crucial piece of information, your team will be able to immediately tackle the right spot and improve the mean time between failures. So how does this benefit your operations? You're looking at a potential 25% savings in maintenance costs, reducing half your unplanned downtime and extending the lives of your machines by years. With Gina keeping an eye on your machines, you can now focus on the better things in life and be rest assured that your machine is in good hands. We know that every organization is different, so we create a unique Gina for everyone, tailored specifically to your needs. We also offer a flexible deployment approach. You may choose to adopt our full suite solution or an integration with your existing system. So, why are you still wasting time and money on downtimes that can be prevented? The faster you adopt Gina and feed her with data, the easier your job will be and the more money you will save. Start immediately. Let GroundUp.ai kickstart your journey into Industry 4.0. Reach out to us now